Hi, in this video, we will learn how to combine sentences that have the same subject. These sentences give details about friends playing in the park. My friends learned soccer moves. My friends showed dance steps. My friends played marble games. Repeating my friends over and over is not the best way to write these sentences. Since all three sentences have the same subject, my friends, and they all give details about activities my friends did, we can combine the details into one sentence. My friends learned soccer moves, showed dance steps, and played marble games. Notice that commas separate the parts of the sentence that have been combined. And the word "and" has been added before the last detail. Sometimes, though, you need the word "or" to combine sentences. This note, posted at camp, explains that campers may choose one afternoon activity. The note says, "Campers may make crafts this afternoon. Campers may play music this afternoon. Campers may practice gymnastics this afternoon." The subject campers is the same in each sentence. The campers have a choice of afternoon activity. Since there are choices, we use the word "or" to combine the choices in a single sentence. Campers may make crafts, play music, or practice gymnastics this afternoon. Combining sentences can help make your writing clearer and more interesting. See you next time.